YouTube and I'm on the PVZ Wiki and some Android devices, I believe most of them, I know for sure the HTC One does not have it, had for a limited time Big Wave Beach, may still be going on, soft release for Big Wave Beach. As you see, there are images, and wow, they're gonna keep on reusing that one because this is completely different. Literally, just compare them. Well, that looks definitely cool. Crocodile. Halloween party. There's many things. Homing Castle. This there's 32 levels. I don't know why it goes down. And I already showed that. There's a new plant, Ghost Pepper, and it's a premium for. Technically, it's a premium, but Tangled Kelp looks different. Lily Pad looks different. Chili Pepper, I don't know. Beach mowers. Oh, you can turn off costumes in. There's supposedly going to be more than one costume per plant. I don't know what that is. Not in English. That's the Ghost Chili Pepper 80. No, neither. Bowling bulbs, actual almanac. By the way, they're gonna be in the pinata party on the 10th, which for me, the time of this recording is in 14 minutes. Tangled Kelp. Wow, that actually looks so good. I like the new design. Well, most people don't. Apparently, so far, every level actually starts out with random lily pads and random socks. That looks amazing. Because I saw in the video, they don't look like that weird shape. They actually, the tiles actually move around. That is level 16 or 15. That is one big monster. Much better there. That looks amazing too. I have to say, this has the best artwork. Better than an Dark Ages map. And well, actually playing, of course, I will make my strategies. I will write them down. And of course, part 1, 2, and a half, 6. And that's going to be the symbol. This is part 1. And I don't know anything else about it, of course. There's a pleasure as long as Wiki. This page only has about Chomper. By the way, Chomper's playthrough is amazing. Volleyball didn't quality, and I got a special thumbnail just for this video. See ya, YouTube.